Inflammation is the body's natural response to protecting the body from foreign substances. While acute inflammation is beneficial to protecting the body, long-term inflammation can result in chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation is a condition that is becoming more and more prevalent every year. According to the World Health Organization, 3 in 5 people worldwide will experience the fatal effects that unaddressed chronic inflammatory diseases can have. While there are medications available that may help treat these inflammatory conditions, oftentimes they are only a temporary fix, or they come with several potential risks and side effects. Adding these herbs and spices to your diet, along with other nutrient-rich superfoods, can help to decrease inflammation and prevent chronic inflammatory diseases. Ginger. Ginger has a zesty sweet flavor and can be added to many different types of dishes, particularly Asian cuisine, stir-fries, stews, and salads. It comes in a variety of forms, such as dried, fresh, powdered, and supplement form. Ginger has been used for thousands of years as a healing spice to treat many different conditions, including inflammation. It contains over 100 active compounds, which are responsible for its health effects. This healing spice contains powerful antioxidants and has been found to reduce inflammation in those who are dealing with inflammatory conditions such as osteoarthritis and other conditions producing joint pain and immobility. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an excellent and delicious spice native to Sri Lanka that can be added to both sweet and savory foods. Many cultures have prized cinnamon for its health benefits for centuries, and several studies have shown its links to reducing inflammation in small doses. These studies have shown a significant decrease in CRP and MDA levels, 2 inflammatory markers, upon ingesting 1,203 milligrams of cinnamon daily for 24 weeks, proving its efficiency in reducing inflammation. Black pepper. Black pepper, otherwise known as the king of spices, has been used globally to treat many different inflammation-related conditions, such as asthma, diarrhea, and other gastric ailments. Research has shown that the main active compound in black pepper, called piperine, helps to reduce swelling and inflammation of the joints, including inflammation markers such as IL-1B, TNF-A, and PGE2. Black pepper is a very versatile spice that you can add to just about any savory dish, including veggies, meat, and pasta. Turmeric. Turmeric, otherwise known as the golden spice, is a tall plant that is in the ginger family and native to South Asia. It has been used in Indian medicine for thousands of years in order to treat different health conditions and illnesses. This fantastic superfood is one of the most widely studied spices due to the active compound it contains known as curcumin. It's been said that turmeric has the incredible ability to block or inhibit signaling proteins, known as tumor necrosis factor alpha, that can contribute to disease-causing inflammation, which can lead to illnesses such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, depression, cancer, IBS, arthritis, and more. It comes fresh, powdered, dried, or in supplement form. Garlic. Garlic is a potent spice with a particularly strong taste and smell that has been used in medicine for centuries to treat all kinds of ailments, from infections to constipation to coughs, toothaches, arthritis, and more. It has the fantastic ability to raise antioxidants in the body, while also regulating inflammation-promoting markers such as IL-10 and NF-κB. Garlic is a delicious spice that you can add to all sorts of savory dishes or take in supplement form. Ginseng. Ginseng has been harvested in Asia for thousands of years and used for its medicinal properties. The 2 main types of ginseng are American ginseng, which is more relaxing, and Asian ginseng, which is more invigorating. Both can easily be added to your diet by stewing their roots into tea or adding them to soups and stir-fries. They also come in capsule form to be taken as a supplement. Ginseng contains active compounds known as ginsenosides that are associated with producing health benefits, particularly reducing signs of inflammation in the body.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.